Let us find the limit of the square root of x plus 4 minus 3 over x minus 5 as x approaches 5. Let us do it by using direct substitution. The limit of the square root of x plus 4 minus 3 over x minus 5 as x approaches 5 equals, we are going to substitute 5 for x, so this becomes 5 plus 4 minus 3. This becomes 5 minus 5. So the square root of 5 plus 4 is 9 minus 3 over 5 minus 5. The square root of 9 is the 3 minus 3 over 5 minus 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. So direct substitution resulted to 0 over 0. In calculus, we say indeterminate. If the function involves square root and direct substitution resulted to 0 over 0, try to rationalize the numerator. Let us do that. By rationalizing the numerator. Rationalizing the numerator. The limit of the square root of x plus 4 minus 3 over x minus 5 as x approaches 5 is equal to the limit of the square root of x plus 4 minus 3 over x minus 5 as x approaches 5. Find the conjugate of the numerator. The square root of x plus 4 minus 3 as a conjugate of square root of x plus 4 plus 3 conjugate. That is right here. Change the sign. Change the sign of the second term from negative to positive. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the numerator. Square root of x plus 4 plus 3 over square root of x plus 4 plus 3 equals the square root of x plus 4 minus 3 times the square root of x plus 4 plus 3 is in the form of a minus b times a plus b. In algebra, if you multiply a minus b by a plus b, the product is a square minus b square. Following this, we have the limit of, we are going to square the first term, the square root of x plus 4 square, then square the second term. Over x minus 5 times x plus 4 plus 3 as x approaches 5. Now the first term is in the form of square root of n square is equal to n. If the square root of n is squared, the answer is n. For example, if we have square root of 5 square, this is equal to 5. If you want to check, square root of 5 square means square root of 5 times square root of 5. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 is square root of 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. So we have the limit of x plus 4. This will be cancelled just as this one here. Okay, minus the square of 3 is 9 all over x minus 5 times the square root of x plus 4 plus 3 as x approaches 5. This is now equal to the limit of x plus 4 minus 9 is x minus 5, because positive 4 negative 9 is negative 5 over x minus 5 times the square root of x plus 4 plus 3 as x approaches 5. We can now cancel. We have now the limit of 1 over the square root of x plus 4 plus 3 as x approaches 5. We can now substitute 5 for x. So 1 over the square root of 5 plus 4 plus 3. This is now equal to 1 over the square root of 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 3 equals 1 over the square root of 9 is 3 plus 3. So we have now 1 over 6. So the limit of the function is 1 over 6 as x approaches 5.